my name is Marcel Knecht. I'm going to explain the functions and the operation of the BlueMETER Sigma to you today. With the BlueMETER Sigma, you are able to define functions and to select various graphic visualizations. I'm now going to explain the individual keys of the device to you. If you press the key On mode for more than 3 seconds, the instrument will switch on. Another short pressing of the key will activate the menu functions. For switching the instrument off, press the key again for more than 3 seconds. The Enter key serves for saving a value entered or for confirming the function selected. For passing a measuring value onto an RS485 interface, respectively to an evaluation software on a PC or laptop, you press the Send Escape key. With this key, you can also abandon a menu selection or an entering function. The arrow key serves to select the function provided in a menu and for enlarging or reducing the display area. You can freeze the actual measuring value with the Hold key. This means that the last measuring value remains on the display until you press the Send Escape key. The key Relative 0 serves for setting the present inclination as the relative 0. In the display, the following information is visible: the actual measuring value, the direction of the inclination, the measuring mode, absolute or relative, the measuring instruments with which the display unit is connected, the present battery voltage, the measuring unit. The following functions and adjustments can be made using the individual menus. With the menu Sensor, the assignment of the measuring instruments or sensors can be defined. For example, measuring instrument A to channel A and measuring instrument B to channel B. In addition, you can select the measuring mode, individual display or differential measurement. The menu Refresh starts the search for connected measuring instruments and stores these in the internal list of instruments. The menu item Absolute switches absolute measurement on and relative measurement off. With relative 0, the value displayed at any inclination will be set to 0 in the display, and the relative measurement will be started. With the menu item Display, the type of display pattern can be selected. In the menu Unit, the measuring unit of the display can be defined. For example, millimeter per meter, arc seconds, milliradian, etc. In the menu Absolute 0, the zero offset of one or several instruments will be determined by a reversal measurement. This means that the instrument will afterwards show the absolute measuring value. This is necessary when you intend an absolute measurement. With the menu item Limits, you can enter limit values, which will emit a signal when exceeded or undergone. With the menu item Filter, the integration time of the measuring values can be adjusted. It is recommended to use filter 3 or 5. With Join, you can define measuring groups which should communicate wirelessly with each other. With Leave, the existing measuring group will be cleared. The menu item Options allows various special adjustments. I will particularly mention 3 of these options. One is the setting of the display. You can adjust the colors and the brightness of the display according to your requirements. The second one is radio on and off. Provided that the wireless transmission module is integrated, you can switch the wireless mode on and off with this function. If required, you can protect your settings with a pin code using Set Pin Code. You can, for instance, fix the unit millimeter per meter so that the user cannot change the measuring unit without entering the code. My name is Marcel Knecht. I thank you for your attention. Further information on WYLER precision inclination measuring instruments can be found on our website or in our YouTube channel. Thank you.